Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Melissa. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe at my YouTube channel at Cook Keto with Melissa. Hit the subscribe and then click that bell. That way you get any new alerts of anything I post in the future. Today is a busy night, but I'm going to make something that will be a quick, easy recipe. Not only quick and easy, but budget friendly, and most of the ingredients are already in your pantry. Let's get started. Let's make a quick, easy side dish to go with your dinner tonight. We are just having chicken nuggets. Boring, right? But it's a quick and easy dinner tonight. My husband and I have been very busy today. We have 4 of our 4-legged furry friends, and they keep us busy, and we had some errands to run. So I thought, what better way to make a quick, easy side dish to go with the chicken nuggets to kind of turn that volume up by keeping it quick and easy and budget friendly. Let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly what you need. The first thing you need to do is turn your oven on to 400 degrees. You want to preheat that oven. So I keep my dinners low carb. I cook keto. I'm not strict keto. I do lazy keto. I do dirty keto. I can elaborate more on that in another video. Right tonight I'm doing chicken nuggets. Now I don't have time to prep and home make the chicken nuggets, so I find these at my local Walmart. These are called Real Good Chicken Nuggets, and they are only 3 net carbs, and you can have 4 ounces. These are amazing. They taste really generally like real chicken. They're crispy. So this will go with my side dish tonight. My husband does not really do low carb all that often, so he is having regular chicken nuggets. Okay, so your oven's already preheating at 400 degrees. I already have my brand chicken nuggets laid out, and my husband's on the right side that he can eat. He's Tyson, mine's the Real Good. We're just having a quick, easy, and cheap on the wallet budget meal tonight. But I want a fun side dish. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, budget-friendly fried pickles. So the first thing you want to do is get out you a muffin pan. The next thing you want to do is get some mild cheddar cheese, and all you're going to do is layer the bottom of the cheese real lightly in the bottom. Now my pan is non-stick. You can spray your pan if you would like. I do not spray my pan, however you can spray your pan. So you're just putting a small layer in the bottom of each cup. Not a very thick layer, but just enough to coat the bottom of your cup. So once you get all of your cheese layered in your pan, you just want to coat the bottom of it, not a thick layer. Then the next thing you want to do is, and I'll have you follow me, is go ahead and lay out a paper towel on a plate, and you're just going to take your pickles, and you're just going to lay out your pickles. Now, I'm just using a Velastic brand pickle from my local Walmart. I live in Ohio, and just the oval shape hamburger dill chips is what it's called. You can use any pickles that you want. Any type of fried pickles that you want, you can use. And I'm just letting these dry on the paper towel. You don't want to put them soaking wet on your cheese mixture because they will not crisp up. So you're just gonna let them sit here for just a second and let the paper towel soak up all the liquid. Okay, so you just wanna roll your paper towel over and pat them dry. You don't want them wet because you don't wanna wet your cheese, because what you're looking for is for them to crisp up. So you just want to give it a little pat. Sometimes I'll grab another set of paper towels and I will just push it on the top to get all that water soaked up. This is how you get it crisp. Now once you soak up all of the juices off the pickle and they're pretty well dry, you're just going to go over and pat it real quick again just to make sure it is dried up. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to lay your pickles into the tin. Now, if they're small pickles, you can double them up. So I try to pick out the bigger pickles. And you just lay them on top, just like this. This is all you do. So if you just happen to have some small pickles left in your pantry, and there's real teeny tiny slices, you can just add them with the other size pickles. This one has a tail on it, so I don't want to use that one. And just add this in the center. You can add 1 pickle each. You can add 2 pickles. It's however you would like to do it. Just make sure that they are dry from all of the juice. Now I have extra, so I'm just going to add extra for the ones that are on the smaller side. That way you're not wasting any pickles. But normally I just find large size pickles and I just put 1 in. Okay, so then the last thing that you want to do before you get it in the oven is you're just going to come back with your mild cheddar cheese and you're going to sprinkle it on top. But first, I want to add a little bit of seasoning to mine. I'm just going to season mine up with a little bit of garlic powder. You can use salt and pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle mine on the pickles. You can use any seasoning you would like. The next thing that I think I'm going to hit it with is a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to just use some onion powder. Now you can also use Mrs. Dash. You can use any seasoning blend that you want. You can even just hit it with some salt and pepper, or you can leave seasonings out altogether. You do not have to season it. I like to just have mine seasoned up a little bit. Okay, and so the next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and add your cheese on top. Once again, it just has to cover the pickle, nothing thick, because you do want this to crisp up. Now, I put mine in the oven because everything else is going to go in the oven, so I can cook it. They cook at the same temperature, so your oven's at 400 degrees. And everything that I'm making tonight is so quick and easy, you guys. It's only 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. However, you can put them in the air fryer. They come out amazing in the air fryer. But before you put them in the air fryer, one of the key tips that you want to do is spray the exterior of your cheese, because that's what is going to make it crisp up when you're using the air fryer. And you do not have to flip these when they're in the oven. So this is what it looks like when you have them all in your muffin tin. Now, if you have more than 1 muffin tin, you can, and you have a larger family, it's just my husband and I. So I just use 1 muffin tin. So if there's a larger family, then you can use like 2 muffin tins, 3 muffin tins, however you want to make your chips. Okay, so everything is ready to go in the oven, and this cooks for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven varies. My oven's probably going to take about 25 minutes to crisp it up. You do not need to flip it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the oven. Okay, it's ready to come out of the oven. So I had mine in for about 25 minutes. I do have a newer Frigidaire oven, but everybody's oven is different on how it cooks. I just know that mine takes the full time. So when something says 15, 20 minutes, it's usually 20 minutes. That's my buzzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and show you guys what it looks like. They smell delicious. Now this just is a quick, easy, cheap on the wallet side dish. But you can also use this as just a snack for your family, your children, maybe an afternoon snack. It's a low-carb dish, so I'm going to go ahead and pop one out. They pretty well pop out really quick and easy. And then I'll show you what they look like. And this is what they look like, guys. That's the front. And that's the back side. And there you have it. Your quick, easy side dish for just a quick meal. We got our nuggets on the plate. This is my husband's. This is mine. You can see mine's not much different from my husband's, except for mine's a low carb, only 3 net carb for the real good chicken nuggets. He just has the standard Tyson's. Once again, this is very quick. It's easy. Most of the stuff you already have in your refrigerator, your pantry, and it's low budget. It only took maybe 5 minutes to prep, if that. The longest time that it took to make is just 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes in your oven. You can air fry it. When you do put it in your air fryer, you may want to coat both sides of the, well, at least the one side, and then you're going to flip it. That's what gives it the crisp that you're looking for. But in the oven, you do not have to flip it in your tin pan. It's just easier to make in the tin pan. So if you enjoyed this and you like my fried pickles, please subscribe at Cook Keto with Melissa. Click on that subscribe button and then tap that bell right next to it. When you tap the bell, it just gives you any new alerts of any upcoming recipes that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining my kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, have a great